Good morning, children. Today we are going to study about the relationship between the planning and controlling. Relationship between the planning and controlling. Planning and controlling are interrelated and interdependent. So both planning and controlling are interrelated and interdependent. How? Planning is the base of controlling function. So planning is the base of controlling function, as controlling involves a measurement of performance against the standard to analyze deviation and take corrective actions. So what is done in the controlling? In controlling, basically the standards are set in the planning. According to that standard, the manager sees that the work is done or not. If the work is done according to the planned standard, planned target, then okay. Otherwise, if there is any deviation, then the corrective actions are taken. So same thing in planning, basically the standards are set, and with the controlling, the performance is measured against the standard or the targets which is set, and if there is deviation, then the corrective actions are taken. Thus controlling is impossible without planning. So we can say that without planning, controlling is impossible. Now planning without controlling is meaningless, because in the absence of controlling, it is impossible to monitor the progress and keep a check on the proper implementation of the plan. So planning without controlling is meaningless, because in planning the target is set, in planning the target is set, the standards are set, and through the controlling it is seen that everything is progressing according to the set target or not. And if it is not, then controlling keeps a check on the proper implementation of the plan. So by this we can say that controlling is very, very important for the planning, because without controlling, the planning cannot be implemented properly. The plans done in the planning cannot be implemented properly, because it is the controlling which sees that the work is going according to the set standard or not. If not, then the deviation is seen, and if deviation is seen, then the corrective actions are taken. So to make the planning successful, controlling is very, very important. Thus, without controlling, planning will fail to achieve the objectives. So without controlling, planning will fail to achieve the objectives. Planning is a thinking process, while controlling is the executive function. In the planning, we have seen that planning is a very intelligent function and it is a thinking process, while controlling is a executive function where the work is done, action is taken. While planning involves creative thinking, imagination and sound judgment, controlling ensures that such decisions are converted into desired actions. So in the planning chapter, we have already studied that planning is basically requires the creative thinking, imagination and also the sound judgment. While what is done in controlling? In controlling ensures that the decisions are converted into the desired action to achieve the targets of the organization. Thus planning is prescriptive while controlling is evaluative. In this way we can say that planning is prescriptive while the controlling is basically evaluative, where evaluation is done. Now come to the next topic, planning and controlling as forward looking as well as backward looking. So planning and controlling are both forward looking and backward looking. How? Planning is a forward looking function. Planning involves setting objectives and deciding the future course of action to achieve them. So planning is forward looking. Why? Because in planning we look at the future, we set the future plan. So it involves setting objectives and deciding the future course of action to achieve the targets. Thus we can say that planning is a forward looking because we make the future plans. Second, controlling is backward looking function. Controlling involves the postmortem of the past activities of an enterprise and finds out the deviation from the target standard. So in controlling, I have already studied that the standard is set, then according to standard, if the work goes on, okay, otherwise the deviation is seen and then corrective action is taken. Previous year activities or past activities is seen by the managers of the enterprise, and then if there is any deviation from the target standard, it is seen, and then for the future the planning is made according to that only. So in controlling what is done? In controlling we go to the past year's activities of the enterprise and we find out the deviation from the target. So what we are doing? We are again going back to make the controlling. For the controlling, we again go back. That is why it is called a backward looking function. Planning is a backward looking function. Next is planning is also a backward looking function. Why? Planning is guided by past experience and the corrective actions taken in the controlling process. So to plan the future, previous year controlling functions we will see it. And if there is, so past experience, we see from the past experience we make the future plannings of the organization. And in the past experience, if there is any problem, then corrective actions were taken in the controlling process, that is seen, and according to that the future planning is made. So we can still say while planning for the future, we are going to the past experiences. As a result, we can say that planning is a backward looking function. Now last is controlling is a forward looking function. The process of control necessarily involves analyzing deviation and taking corrective actions which aims to improve the future performance and achievement of the predetermined goal. In controlling, I have explained you that deviation is analyzed and then corrective actions are taken so that the target of the organization is fulfilled. So the main aim is what? Analyzing deviation and taking corrective actions so that the future performance will be according to the set target or according to the achievement of the predetermined goals. So again, for the controlling we are looking forward, and thus we can say that with the proper controlling the future performance is improved and the target is achieved. As a result, we can say that controlling is a forward looking function. Today only this much. Thank you.